Happy Matthieu Blazy Day to all who celebrate. It is the day of the new collection, Chanel Matthieu d'Art collection, and I'm so excited to go in and check it out. There is a very huge chance that a lot of things are actually sold already, even though it's launch day, because the VIC clients typically pre-order beforehand. Nonetheless, I'm excited to go in with a mission. Let's see if I end up finding anything. I'm really interested in a few of the bags. I mean, man, I'm so excited. Like, Chanel has truly like reeled me back in. I like have barely ever bought anything from Chanel, but when Matthieu Blazy came in, I was like, you know what? This might be me. With that said, let's go and shop and see if I find anything. I'm really interested in the Croc and Boss shoes too. And then there's like this Charm Chanel Classic flap that I want to see in person, but again, who knows what's available.
Such a random time to be shopping. It's 11 a.m. I decided to make an appointment because I know it's gonna be crazy at Chanel, especially today. Oh my gosh, they've blocked it off so that you can't see the new collection yet. Oh my gosh. I got something. You guys, I'm like really surprised. First off, a lot of things were already sold out, which is crazy because it's literally the first day of launch. However, there were things that I was able to find and I just cannot wait to share because I was literally like shaking. So I'm like, why is this even like still here? We secured the goods. The associates there are just so nice, like genuinely so nice, and I love talking about the history, which is my favorite thing. I love learning about like the history of like why things are made or like the types of materials. So I'm excited, but again, there are so many things that I'm like so interested in seeing. So we'll see if I'm going to be able to. Okay, for blacking out at Chanel, I got some matcha from Cafe Collegium. Literally love this matcha. Guys, we are here with my mom. Hi, Mom. Sister and Mr. FashionNica. We're gonna unbox. The girls came back from their Euro summer. So they went to
Barcelona, Madrid,
Lisbon,
and Porto.
And Porto. Oh. But they brought back pasalubong. What's pasalubong? Pasalubong means souvenir in Filipino.
The sign is the other side.
Unboxing! Okay, so backstory. The very first loewe store was in Madrid. And so I had my mom basically go shopping for me while she was in Madrid. And then I get a phone call from her when I'm in Vegas at 6 in the morning. And so I'm like so nervous thinking that there was like an emergency. So this is the unboxing. We'll start off with, oh my gosh. The ribbon is so freaking cute.
I'm like stressing out like how much, because like I thought it was one big box in there, and then now there's little accessories in it, so I'm just like, how much is in there?
No, Mom saved money because it's it's
You
in
saved
Madrid.
money by spending money.
Yeah, she saved money because it's cheaper in Madrid. Okay, what could be in here? Oh my gosh. What's cute?
Small.
Shut up! What? Ah!
Oh, is it the charm you're looking at?
Oh my! What the heck? Oh my god! I'm gonna cry. Oh my god! What the heck, you liar! That's so crazy. Okay, so I had my mom look for this charm. And then Mom said that it was sold out. And so then I was like, okay, then get me this charm, a second charm instead. But I was so sad because this one is so freaking cool. It's a newspaper that literally says Madrid and they're sold out in the US. And I was like, okay, it's fine.
She showed it to me. I asked for it, and then she showed it to me while you were on the phone. And I went like, you probably didn't see me, but she was showing it to me, and I went like this, And then she's like, sorry. Because I didn't want you to see that that's what I was going to do.
So it's a little newspaper made of lambskin leather with like literal, I don't know what they say on it, but it's like 4 different pieces of newspaper. This is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so shocked, mommy. Okay, are you ready for the bag? Dun dun dun. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, it's so pretty. The interior, it's like yellow. Oh my god. Okay, so this is a limited edition 24 karat loewe.
Hi.
It's a limited edition Paula Ibiza by Loewe Amazona. So the reason it's limited edition is because majority of their interiors for the Amazona 180 are the same color as the exterior, but this one is I'm pretty sure it's the only one that actually no, it is the only one that has a bright interior compared to the exterior. So little fun fact there, comes with 3 straps. So there's a crossbody strap. And then this strap is my personal favorite. And I feel like this is the way that I'm gonna wear it mainly. Like that. Right? Oh, it's so cute. I love the interior so much.
Dimensions are different too.
Uh-huh. Yeah, he knows his bags.
I know my bags.
This is what a vintage Amazona looks like. And then this is the newer Amazona. So the retail price of this, if you were to get this brand new in America, is $4,600 plus tax.
Okay.
So that's like well over $5,000.
Okay.
But mom got it for $3,600.
Oh, wow.
We saved $1,400.
Not including the tax.
No, it
Including the tax. So $1,400.
He had to go to Madrid because he was literally texting me going, can you go back to Loewe and get the Madrid one? I'm like, girl.
No, that's adorable. Thanks, mommy. I appreciate it. Thanks for it.
You're welcome.
Hold on. I need to hug my sister too. Yeah. Thanks for the space that I accidentally took so you couldn't bring souvenirs for yourself. Thank you. Actually, so it's Friday today and it's a holiday. So we have a 3-day weekend. I've decided I'm gonna vlog the entire weekend to share aspects outside of bags. Although it's probably gonna be bag related. Starting now, I'm gonna go out for a run and look at this little mini Kelly AirPods case Mr. FashionNica surprised me with the other night. It was so funny because after my run, I had come home and I was like looking for my AirPods for the longest time, and then I like literally see this like at the stairs, and I'm like, what the heck is this? Like at first I thought it was a literal bag, and I'm like, wait, I don't remember like buying a bag like this tiny. It's the AirPods case. Anyways, I'm gonna go out for a run. And then I'm gonna get a matcha. I'm hanging out with my friends tonight, but yeah, pretty much this whole weekend is busy. So let's take you with me. Okay.
You know this thing existed that I told you just now.
I know, I'm testing it out.
All of a sudden it's a lifestyle content.
No, I'm testing it. Okay, so Mr. FashionNica got a cold plunge, a face plunge. I don't know what it's for, but there's ice in here, and I'd love to wake up a little bit more since it's a little early still. Do I put my mouth on this thing? It looks like a pacifier.
The outside of
Like
it.
that?
Over
it, right? Okay.
2 seconds?
Oh, to
Well, like,
breathe.
if it starts feeling like too cold, you can take it out.
Okay.
You don't want to get like
Okay.
fire or anything.
Okay, here we go. Gosh, I was just about to run out the door, and then look at what
shows up. And this is actually not sponsored. Nothing is sponsored. I discovered these like 5 days ago, and Mr. FashionNica bought an entire pack of it, and I ate the entire pack in one sitting. I felt so bad because I didn't leave any for Mr. FashionNica. They're so good. I've never had chips where I'm like legitimately like cannot stop eating it. It's called Wild. Apparently they're protein chips. It's chicken chips, so it's chicken protein, but it also tastes like waffle and syrup.
We had assumed that since it's a holiday, maybe Ayer, the matcha place, wouldn't be as packed. Wrong to assume. If anything, it's even more packed. Anyways, still worth it. We're going in here because we have some exciting things that are happening at FashionNica very soon. I don't think we will be announcing it just yet once this video is up, but here's a little hint. So this is Habitat for Humanity. It's called Restore. Basically everything here is pre-loved, and they change things out pretty much on a weekly basis. They get like new inventory. So you kind of just have to be lucky if you find anything.
There's only two?
There's only two. Do you think we should get it? Look at this like little rattan chair is really cute. It's only 20 bucks too. I like how like it looks so modern with that shape. Now we're going to this place. It's a showroom. Oh my gosh, look at how massive that fan is. The file cabinets. Quang really likes this whiteboard. Okay, I'm officially on a double date with my besties! The fourth is Quang! No, he's in the restroom. This couple is getting married in a month, guys. This was my bridesmaid, Vanessa. You guys know her. This is Jonathan. We're at Hijinks Hotel right now. This is like a new interactive hotel. It's not actually a hotel, but you can like play games. It's kind of like an escape room, but not scary. And there's like a bunch of different rooms. So we got 5 rooms, and they basically have different games within the rooms that you have to like solve and like challenges and all. But this is the hotel, and look at how cool it looks. Like it's such a vibe. And then there's a bar that's like right over there too. It's like it just randomly opened up at our mall, but it's so cute. Shit, I'm full. I'm full.
They need to have water stations. What was that last one?
Like the hardest one so far.
That's crazy.
It's like they're mentally getting harder.
Oh my god.
Good morning.
Like if
This is not a banana matcha.
if you made like